This video is to show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. I have my screen in a split view to simulate the side that will be helping and the student or teacher who will need help. First, what you'll do is go to the puzzle piece up at the top for extensions and go to Chrome Remote Desktop. The student or teacher will do this as well. Once you do that, please make sure you're under remote support for both people. Now, if you are assisting and giving them help, scroll down and you'll see Give Support. The student or teacher who needs help will go here to Get Support and click on Generate Code. Once that number comes up right here, they'll let you know and you will put that number in here. You do not need to add any spaces. Once the number has been inputted, you'll hit Connect. Then a message will get sent over to the student or teacher side that needs help to say, yes, share my screen, or cancel. They can choose whichever one to do. Once they connect and allow you them to share, you can actually drive on their side of things and click on places to go for them. That way, it's a little bit easier to assist them in helping. And that is how Chrome Remote works. Once you're done, they can hit cancel or stop sharing. Or you can just completely close out of the window and that will end the session. Each number that comes up will always be a different number that is generated too, so it's never the same. And that is how Chrome Remote Desktop works.